Welcome to the Accessibility Services module on test taking. The focus of the test taking module is on stress management techniques, focus and productivity strategies, and learning how to break down test questions. Test taking can become an overwhelming and anxiety-provoking experience for many people. Anxiety is both a normal and natural reaction to a perceived threat or concern that everyone experiences at multiple times throughout their life. Test anxiety occurs when symptoms of your anxiety affect your performance on a test. How an individual experiences both anxiety and test anxiety varies from person to person and from one experience to the next. In order to better manage your stress and reduce anxiety, developing a plan for before the test, the day of the test, as well as during and after a test can be helpful. Before a test, consider engaging in strategies that encourage a healthy mind and body ongoing. On the day of the test, be sure to engage in a routine and habits that allow for optimal preparedness. Focus on creating a balance between academic readiness and a healthy state of mind. During the test, continue to maintain a balance between academic engagement and well-being. Stay relaxed and confident, and ask for help if needed. After the test, engage in self-reflection. Think about techniques or strategies that worked well to manage your anxiety. Reflect on your goals and be sure to review the test and learn from your mistakes. Focus and productivity are key factors that can support greater success with test taking. During the test, you can increase focus and productivity by following strategies like RACER, a simple method of reviewing and answering test questions more efficiently. A memory dump can also be useful. It is the process of writing down big ideas or concepts before starting the test, which can then be used as a reference guide while completing a test. Consider breaking the test down into timed sections to encourage taking regular breaks, allotting for time to review work, and slowing the rate of work. Learning how information can be used and interpreted for the purpose of testing can reduce the difficulties associated with breaking down test questions. Bloom's taxonomy is a method or tiered approach to breaking down information and identifying how it can and is intended to be used for both instructors and students. For true and false questions, focus on how the sentence or sentences are phrased and look for words that will tell you if the question is true or false. For the very tricky multiple choice question, take a multi-step approach to reduce the number of possible right answers and identify the correct answer. For the short answer questions, stay focused on how the question is phrased and ensure your response is clear, concise, and the appropriate length for the marking scheme. When completing long answer questions, stop and think critically about what you are being asked and how you respond. An open book test may seem like an easy format for test taking. Your open book should only be a well-organized reference guide to complement the knowledge you have already gained throughout the duration of the course and your studies. Oral exams require a lot of practice and preparation. Be sure you are comfortable and confident not only with the content, but with the supporting technology. Your ability to engage in feedback and questions from instructors and peers is also important. Calculation-based or problem-solving questions require careful review of the instructions. Identify what is known and unknown, look for connections, and break information down into parts or steps to derive a solution, and always double-check your math. When it comes to test taking, developing a plan of action that supports your academic success and well-being is incredibly important. What you do matters, so be smart, be kind, and find a plan that works well for you. For more information on how to access services and supports through Accessibility Services, including information on learning strategies and troubleshooting in the online environment, please register for the Accessibility Services Learn course and subscribe to the Accessibility Services YouTube channel.